Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the WHMCS mail settings step by step. Whether you need to adjust email signatures, set up email providers, or customize email layouts, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access the WHMCS mail settings. First, log into your WHMCS admin panel using your admin credentials. Once you're in, hover over the configuration menu at the top right corner. Click on System Settings, then select General Settings. Now, go ahead and click on the Mail tab from the options. This is where you'll manage all your email configurations. Step 2. Select your mail provider. In the Mail tab, you'll see the Mail Provider option, which by default is set to PHP Mail. Next to the Mail Provider option, you'll see a Configure Mail Provider button. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose from several providers such as PHP Mail, Default, SMTP Mailgun, Microsoft SendGrid, Spark Posts. Let's break it down. SMTP is highly recommended because it offers better deliverability and security, preventing your emails from landing in the spam folder. PHP Mail is easier to set up but not as reliable for email delivery, as it often lacks authentication and security. So for this video, let's configure SMTP settings, which is what most users prefer. Step 3. Configure SMTP settings. Once you choose SMTP, a set of configuration options will appear. Here's what you'll need to fill out. Mail encoding set to 8-bit. Service provider, choose generic if you are using a standard SMTP service. SMTP host. Enter the host address of your email server. For example, smtp.yourdomain.com. SMTP port. Typically use port 465 for SSL or 587 for TLS. SMTP authentication. This will be set to password. SMTP username. Enter your email address or username. For example, yourname@yourdomain.com. SMTP password. Enter the corresponding password for your email account. SMTP SSL type. Select SSL or TLS if your host requires it. SMTP debug. If you're having trouble with emails, you can enable verbose logging for detailed SMTP logs. Make sure to double check all the details, as these will determine how your emails are sent. Step 4. Set global email signature and CSS styling. Now let's add a personal touch to your emails. 1. Disable email sending. Enable this if you want to stop WHMCS from sending any emails temporarily. 2. Disable RFC 3834 headers. If you want to prevent circular responses between autoresponders, you can check this box. 3. Global email signature. Add a default signature that will appear in every email sent from WHMCS. This could look something like your company, http://yourwebsite.com for global email CS. Styling. Customize how your emails look by adding CSS styles to ensure emails display correctly across various clients. Step 5. Configure client email header and footer. To make your emails more professional, you can add content to both client email header and footer. For instance, on the client email header, you could place your logo or branding at the top of each email with HTML or plain text like this. Also, for client email footer, you could include important links like your support page or company details at the bottom like this. Step 6. Define system email from name and address. Next, configure the system emails from name and from email address. This is the name and email that will appear in the sender field for all system-generated emails, such as noreply@yourwebsite.com. Step 7. Set BCC and pre-sales form destination. If you want to keep a copy of every email sent by WHMCS, enter your email address in the BCC messages field. You can add multiple addresses if necessary. For the pre-sales form destination, either choose a department from the drop-down menu or enter a specific email address to receive pre-sales inquiries. Finally, click Save Changes to save all your changes. And that's it. You've now successfully configured your mail settings in WHMCS, including setting up an SMTP provider for reliable email delivery. If you need help with any of these steps, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.